All right, good evening, fifth graders. This is going to be a really quick, short video. I know that's what you like to hear for homework at night. But you might have to rewatch it, some parts of it, because I want you to really understand the three different types of triangles. First of all, we're working with a congruent triangle. Congruent triangles mean triangles that are the same. Congruent means the same. Before we get going, let's kind of look at some rounding here. So some extra little practice. This never hurts anything. Round to the nearest whole number. So we're going to look at the digit in the one spot, nearest whole number, so then I'm looking to my right. Okay, remember Stan the fisherman. If the fish is a 5 or higher, we're going to round up. That 8 is larger, so we're going to round this 9 to a 10, which makes this a 0 and this a 1. My answer would be 210. Next one is 32.06, 32 and 600ths. Looking at the 2 here, I'm looking over at the 0. The 0, I'm just going to keep it at 32. And keep on moving along here. Round to the nearest 10th. Okay, my 10th place is right here because the 9 is in the 100th place. Look to my right. The 9 is larger than 5, so it's 81.4. Looking at my tenths, looking to my right. That 4 is smaller than 5, so I'm going to have 376.1. The last one, extend this page so I can see it. 9 is in the 10th spot. I'm looking over. The 6 is larger than 5, so I have 546. And that 9 is actually going to have to turn this 6 right here into a 7. Take a look, because I can't put a 10 in this place, right, kids? So that's why I have to move to the next spot to make that 6 a 7. The answer is 547. Here's the three types of triangles you're working with today. You're working with an equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle, and a scalene triangle, okay? The easiest one of all three of these is the equilateral triangle because we see the word equal in there. With the word equilateral triangle, we know that all the sides and all the angles are exactly the same. So that puts three sides that are the same length. An isosceles triangle, this one's a little trickier, so we're going to go ahead and skip this one for now. We're going to jump to the scalene triangle. Scalene means all of the sides are different. All the sides are different. That means all the angles are different. But remember, when you add up all the angles in a triangle, that equals 180 degrees. No matter what kind of triangle it is, all three angles will always add up to 180. The last one is an isosceles triangle. Pay close attention to the keywords here. At least two sides are the same length. At least two sides have to be the same length. So if two sides are the same length, that means we have two angles that are the same. Keep this in mind. So equilateral means equal. Scalene, all different. Scalene, at least two sides have the same length. So we have some examples here, okay? This is in your math journal, but we'll be looking at this tomorrow for your assignment. Equilateral triangle, here's some examples. All the sides are the same. Looks like right here it's all 5, okay? Over here, do you see these little lines? That just means that these two are the same. There's two little slashes. This one has one slash. It means this side and this side are the same. This one's different, so it means it's not equilateral. Here we have some numbers here, not the same length. Over here, that's not even a triangle. It has 4 sides, so that means that's not equilateral as well. Isosceles triangle. Whenever I think of an isosceles triangle, I always kind of think of a tent. Okay, kind of like a little teepee style tent. These are all equilateral. At least two sides are the same. Over here, all the sides are different. These are actually a bunch of scalene triangles. They all have different lengths. Look down at the bottom. These are scalene. Once again, scalene means all the sides and angles are different. Like I said, it's a short video, but hopefully this will help you improve on the three different types of triangles you are going to see tomorrow. Good luck, kids.